Hey guys, what up? It's your boy Pinecone. Look what finally came in. My exterior mod parts. You got the wicker wing in the first box. I want to say that's the front splitter in that one, and that's the rear diffuser, or it might be that's the diffuser. That might be the that might be the diffuser. That might be the front splitter. But anyway, this is the unboxing video. Got my knife out, so let's get started. But first, let's check out the car and see what it looks like stock. Even though I got the boxes on the rear. All right, as you can tell, you know, stock diffuser. All right, this is going away. It's going to be black plastic like this, but it's going to be hydro dipped in carbon fiber to look, and it's going to have the I guess I don't know what they call them, but I'm gonna call them canards that go down for better aerodynamics. I got the wicker bill that's gonna bolt onto this, so I'm probably gonna pay someone to do that. So I'm probably not gonna do that myself. So if I do it before and after, you may see it without that. And then this is the front bumper without the front splitter. But here's the problem. I tend to scrape my bottom a lot, as you can tell. So yeah, like I was saying, so I might screw up the front splitter very quickly. I'm hoping I don't. I'm gonna try and be more cautious of where I drive, but I do live in New Orleans and around New Orleans. Actually, I live right outside New Orleans, but I'm always in New Orleans, and you know, I'm sure you've seen the memes on Facebook and Instagram and all that, you know, and how to tell if a drunk driver's in your area, you know, and other places in the United States, you know, they're swerving, you know, switching lanes and, you know, swerving back and forth and shit. In New Orleans is when they're going straight over the potholes. That's how you can tell the difference between a drunk driver in New Orleans and anywhere else. Because in New Orleans, if you're swerving on the road, it's because you dodging potholes. All right. Anywhere else, if you're swerving on the road like that, you're probably drunk. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. All right, y'all. I'm gonna do the wicker bill last, but let's go ahead and do this one first. I'm not sure which one this is. If I had to guess, I'm gonna say this is the, I don't know, let's just unbox it and find out. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this uncut, you know, because it's a lot easier. So let's see. Part 2 of this video will be the before and after on the actual car itself. Sorry if I'm not getting this because I'm not looking at the screen while I cut. It's kind of hard to cut with one hand. Ooh, somebody got a nice freaking car. All right, let's see what this is. Moment of truth, baby. What part is this? Yep, this is the front splitter. I can already tell. It's I think a 2-piece. I'm not going to take it out of the actual. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and take it out. Let's see. Yes, I'm barefooted. Sue me, y'all. I hope I ain't got none of y'all like weird feet person on my freaking YouTube. That'd just be weird because I'm a dude. I'm sorry, I'm not a foot person, y'all. I don't see how people like feet. It's just nasty to me. Yeah, these camera angles suck. I'm sorry, y'all, but just get with it. This is a true, real unboxing. This ain't no professional stuff. I'm even shooting on a phone. Okay, this is the first part here. Oh wow, look at that. That is gonna look so sweet on my car. Can't wait. Okay, let me. I'm gonna put this in the grass. You know. All right, let's do the other part. I'm gonna wrap it all back up after the video. So go ahead and pop it out. Whee! Sound effects, man, right there. All right, this is the second part of the wing of the front splitter here. Oh man, this is gonna. Oh dude, this is gonna be sweet. Let's see, how's that supposed to go? Okay, so this is the wing. I mean the front splitter. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna go. I believe there's more parts to it. I don't know if that looks right, but I'm sure there's more in this box. There's gotta be. Oh, there sure is. There's a bunch of crap in this box. I'm sorry, y'all. So I was wrong. There's definitely more than one part. True unboxing here. With a retard on YouTube. Hi, I'm the retard. Pinecone. Okay. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is a real unboxing. Can y'all tell? All right, I got to put the phone down for this for a second. So sorry about the poor view, but let's take this off. All right. All right, this is the driver's side. As you can tell, it comes out pretty far. I mean, that's like at least a good 3 inches. And look, ooh, that's gonna look so good on my car. Let's see, I'm gonna try and put it like how it's supposed to go. If I had to guess, something like that. And then that's gonna be the other side on the other one here. All right. Again, I'm sorry for the camera angle, guys. It's just I am not a unboxer. This is like the first time I've unboxed something like for any reason on video, but I'm not sure exactly how this is going to go. But that's going to be the other side. So that's going to be the front splitter. It's 4 parts. I think that's going to look sweet on the front. All right, let's see what else I got. All right, let's open up the rear diffuser. I know this is the diffuser right here in this box. Let's see. Get my knife. And in case y'all wondering where I got these parts, I bought them all on Amazon. I bought them through I bought the wicker bill through a reputable dealer. The other parts were just what can I say? They're just regular, run-of-the-mill, probably off-brand parts. The front wing and everything's off-brand. So if y'all wondering about that, yeah, I didn't go too expensive with that. The wicker bill I did because the precise it's hot as hell out here. Whew. It is currently 98 degrees outside now that it's done raining. And here I am unboxing it. And in case anybody, the real OGs that have been here with me, you know, before, when I had my Porsche and everything, I mentioned how I used to be an auto detailer. Y'all will know I had a heat stroke, which is why I don't detail cars no more. So I cannot handle the heat. So this heat is killing me right now. Oh, wow. Wow. Just look at that, baby. That looks good. This is why I'm breaking it up, because this is going to be a really long video. So I'm breaking it up to 2 parts. This is going to be the unboxing part, and the other part's going to be the before and after. I'm getting out of breath here. All right, I'm going to put the phone down for a minute. Keep it on, but I'm going to keep it rolling. Put the phone down so I can take this out without breaking anything. Sorry for the poor angle view, guys. I'm really just trying to do this as a one cut without editing. Only thing I'm gonna edit is my logo in the beginning of the video. So at least y'all can hear me unboxing. At least y'all know this is a legit unboxing, not no fake bullshit. Not none of those snapping of fingers and everything's on the car type of videos. This is a real unboxing. Damn, a lot of shit missing. I'm really can't wait for y'all to see this in person, because I have the carbon fiber dip. Even though it's not actual carbon fiber, it's black plastic. So y'all gonna love the way this looks. I hope it looks good. I'm wishful thinking here. I believe this only cost about $140 on the Amazon, where the front splitter was like 98 bucks. In case y'all wondering the price. Oh wow, y'all can. Oh, just wait until I show y'all this in the camera view. Y'all are gonna love this. Oh my god. This is amazing. All right, guys, y'all ready for the reveal? All right, look, check that out. Oh my god, look at the sun. And this is hydro dip. This isn't real carbon fiber. If you look, if you flip it over, it's black plastic. But this is hydro dipped in the top part. Dude. Oh my god. Okay. It's gonna look like that on the car. Dude, that is gonna be sick. Oh my god. I can't wait to put this on the car. All right, last but not least. Okay. Man, I got crap all over the place. I'm gonna have to be chasing. Oh, I got stuff in my neighbor's yard. All right. Here's the most expensive part of this whole freaking project right here. The wicker bill. This was like $240 plus like $10, $15, $20 or whatever for shipping. I don't remember what I paid. But there's a reason why I went with this one. Is because with most wicker bills, I'm gonna show you real quick. Most wicker bills, they just kind of like put the screws anywhere. This wicker bill is specifically lined up with this camera here for the center, so you can line it up and make sure it's even and perfect when you install it. So you pay a lot more for that, because I did see they had wicker bills on Amazon for as like little as like $100. This one costs like damn near $250, I guess you can say, plus tax and all that other good stuff. So I'm taking my time with it. Oh my god, I'm sweating so bad right now. Dude, I'm gonna need another shower as soon as I get done with this. That's bad. Maybe y'all can still see this, because I'm not really looking at the camera. Oh, I gotta put the camera down again. I'm sorry, guys. Here, view some grass for a minute while I talk to y'all. Yeah, very crappy video quality. I'm sorry, I am not a professional YouTuber. I don't get paid for this. That's why it took so long for me to buy this stuff, because I needed it when I had the extras. Once I get monetized, hopefully more parts will come quicker for cars. Maybe I can upgrade eventually to the red eye that I want. Okay. Oh wow. All right, everything's coated. I'm not going to take none of this coating off, but as you can tell, it's a two-piece. Got all the bolts and stuff. All I need is the gun and the drill to drill into my stock spoiler. And look, as you can tell, look, it's centered, unlike most wicker builds. So the attention to detail on that. I don't know if I'm gonna put this piece on right away. I'm just gonna do this part now. I'm thinking about getting my YouTube logo with my name on here. Well, you can tell I'm sweating. Look at the drip. With my YouTube name on here, so that people can know to go subscribe, and that'll help my channel. But as you can tell, I am sweating my gluteus maximus off, and in case y'all not nerds like me, y'all wonder what the hell a gluteus maximus is, I'm sweating my ass off. It is freaking hot. It's like 90 something degrees. Let's see real quick. It is yeah, it's literally over 90 degrees, 92, 93 degrees outside. Who knows what the freaking humidity is out here in New Orleans. I am getting short of breath just talking to y'all and unboxing everything, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap everything back up, go chase all the crap that's been falling in everybody else's yard and everything, and hopefully y'all stay around for part 2, where I show y'all the before and after. But before y'all do that, as y'all know, my car's dirty, so I'm gonna have to wash it first. I mean, look how dirty that shit is. But I'm gonna have to wash it before I can do anything. So I'm gonna wait till it's cooler. Whew, I can't finish this video quick enough. But I'm gonna wait till it's cooler so I can clean the car. Also want to do Adam's ceramic spray coating on these on all the parts before I install it on a car. So I'm gonna do all that. So I'm gonna wash the car, you know, do a walk around on the next video. Whew. Do a walk around on the next video before it's cleaned up, show y'all I have to clean it, and then after that, the ending of the next video is going to be with the parts on the car, except maybe the wicker build may not be on the car, but everything, but the diffuser and the front splitter will definitely be on the car. So it's getting hot. I got to hurry up and wrap this up before I pass out from being from heat exhaustion. So until next time, y'all,